Hello students, in the previous video we have studied about the separation of mixture, that is solid mixture. Now in this video we will separate the solid liquid mixtures, in which the solid liquid mixture. For example, these are the methods to separate the solid liquid mixture: sedimentation and decantation, filtration, evaporation, crystallization and distillation, and last one is centrifugation. In this, what is sedimentation and decantation, when it is used? See, with the help of example, rice and water mixture, and second example is sand and water mixture. If we have one of the mixture is not both of the mixture is not soluble in the water, and it can be settled down. Sedimentation, we will keep the mixture for some time, and after some time the heavy particle will settle down. For example, rice and water, if we have taken this mixture, rice will settle down, and in the next step we will separate the rice by the decantation method. Clean water is separated and the rice will be left behind. And the second method is filtration method. Example, chalk and water and tea leaves from tea. Tea from the tea leaves is the bigger particle, and chalk and water, and also it is not soluble in the tea and in the water. Chalk is not soluble in the water and it is also heavy, so we can separate this type of mixture by the filtration process. See, we will take the chalk powder and the water mixture in a beaker, and then we will, by using a funnel, and we will make a filter paper cone. Here we will keep here filter paper cone. And now we will, with the help of a glass rod, we will pour the mixture inside the with the help of this filter paper cone. The mixture is separated. Chalk powder will be left behind on the filter paper, and the water will be comes down through this filter paper, and it will be collected as the filtrate. Now next method is evaporation method. We will separate, example, salt and water mixture can be separated by the evaporation method. Salt and water mixture we will take in the evaporating dish, and this is the wire gauze, and with the help of burner we will heat the solution, salt solution. Water will be evaporated and salt will be remains behind, and hence the salt is separated from the salt water mixture. Next method is crystallization method. In this crystallization method we will separate the sugar in the water. When the more of the sugar is dissolved in the water, then we will slowly evaporate the solution. Water will be evaporated and then it is cooled. After cooling, the solid crystals will be separated as the crystals. Solid crystals of sugar are separated. So this method is called crystallization method. It involves the slow evaporation and then cooling of the mixture. Next method is distillation. By the distillation method, we get the pure liquid from the mixture. If we have to collect the pure liquid from the liquid solid mixture, we will use the distillation method. In this method, we will take the mixture inside the flask. This is round bottom flask. Inside the round bottom flask, we will take the mixture and solid liquid mixture, and the liquid will be evaporated on heating. When we will heat it with the help of burner, the liquid will be evaporated, but the solid impurity do not evaporate, so they will be left behind. Only water will be evaporated, and this water will be passed through the condenser, and then here it get cooled and then change into the water liquid water. It will be evaporated as the vapors, and then vapors are cooled with the help of this condenser, and then it is collected inside the flask. This method is called distillation method, and we get the pure liquid by this method. Next method is centrifugation method. By the centrifugation method, cream is separated from the milk. In this centrifugation, mixture is taken in the centrifugation tube and it is rotated at high speed. The heavy particles will be settled down at the bottom like milk, and the lighter particle will be separated. separated from the heavy particle. This method is called centrifugation method. This is all about the separation of solid liquid mixture. Now in the next lecture we will study about the separation of liquid mixture. Thanks.